We took in mind what a surgeon in the operating room really needs. They're going into the operating room, the patient's infected, everybody's already, a heightened sense of concern because they know the devastating effects of these problems. So in the operating room, what does a surgeon need? They need a first-line therapy because they don't know what the bacteria is yet. They don't have the culture back. They don't know what the bug actually is. So they need something that is broad spectrum as Jonathan, but it also has to work fast. You're in an operating room, you're on the clock, you've got to get the patient in and out of the room. So it needs to work fast. It needs to get through this biofilm mechanically, but also kill everything in the wound. But also, you don't want to slow a surgeon down. It has to work in that standard surgical workflow. And in the end, we see this as a product that's going to scale both across indications and regions around the world, because we've intended this, like we said, to cure and prevent every medical device infection. So when that happens, you also have to keep in mind antibiotic stewardship, meaning you don't want to be driving resistance. So fortunately, with the research that we've done so far, PLGO206 is shown to have a very low resistance potential. So that also gives us promise that we may be able to scale this globally, not just for hundreds of thousands of infection patients, but tens of millions of patients every year that are having medical surgeries.